precious.
Hi guys, I'm back again with another video, and this time I'm going to do a video on this hair that I purchased from Samsbeauty. They had I think it was a 2-day sale where the hair was like 50% off, I think it was 50% off. So I'll show you the packs of hair that I got. But before I do, you guys do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you do not miss another video that I post. So let's get right into this video. So the hair that I picked up was, well, before I get into that, let me tell you the story. I wanted to crochet my hair, well, braid my hair back, and I have a crochet style because I'm so tired of my hair already, and it's been down not even a week, and I'm already tired of it. So I went on Samsbeauty to see if I could find any hair that I could use to add into my hair so that I would have a nice easy style, because I knew it was going to be a while before I would actually be able to get my box braids back. And I didn't want to just leave my natural hair just out. I wanted to keep it braided and keep some type of style in it. So I went on Sensationnel and I went looking, and I saw they had this 2-day sale where the hair was 50% off. So I went looking, and I ended up coming across this hair, and it was like in the braided section. I think it was like new or something. I think it's new. And I ended up getting this LuLuTress pre-looped deep wavy 8-inch hair, and it's by Sensationnel. Let's see. And that's how the pack looks. I got it in a 1B. I actually got 2 packs because I think they were like $6.99. I think it was $6.99 for both packs. So I was excited because I wanted a curly style, but I didn't want something that was going to be too hard to maintain, because I do have blue crochet braids that I wanted to put in my hair, but if I go on job interviews or something, I didn't want to have to take them out, you know, after, because some people are finicky about the hair that you have in your head. So I was like, I'll just play it safe and just get this hair. So it comes with 2 little sections of crochet braid, no, crochet curls. You get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So you get 20 per side. So you get 40 pieces on each side. And I thought that maybe 2 packs would be enough to cover my head. But then I realized my head's too big. I think these 2 packs would probably cover the back, and that's it. So I should have got like 3 more packs to go with it. So right now I'm just I'm waiting until I order some more hair and then put this in, because I really want to wear this, because this hair is so pretty. But the only thing, I'm kind of scared that it will be, you know, like that silky type. Like once you crochet it in, you're gonna have, it will unravel, and I don't want it to unravel. So I am hoping that this hair actually stays up, because this is really pretty. I love the curve out on this. I'm trying to take it out of the this little knit that they have in here, so you guys can see the they got this in there. Okay, there we go. And then I put it back in now. Look at it. It is so pretty. And that is a pretty good curl. So that's exactly how much one crochet would be. So yeah, once I hope that maybe the beauty supply store that's close to me will have this hair in, and if so, I can get a couple more packs so that I can put this in my head, because I cannot wait to put this in. I love my wigs, don't get me wrong, I love them, but they are hot, and it's still 90 plus degrees here, so I'm not trying to sweat to death. So yeah, just like I said, I will have the prices and the links to this hair down below. So if you guys like it, or you think that it will be perfect for you, you can go and purchase it there. So yeah, till next time, bye guys.